Sure, the Apple Vision Pro has become an entertainment powerhouse, but still, YouTube was missing from it, and that's changing now. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. YouTube is coming on Vision OS for the Apple Vision Pro, and it's available in the App Store to download for free. YouTube is finally catching up, as most of the best streaming services are already on the platform, with immersive environments designed for Vision OS. But YouTube, the internet's largest video platform, wasn't among them. YouTube was only accessible through Safari, which worked, but it was never perfect. Meanwhile, Disney+, HBO Max, and Paramount Plus went full out, letting you immerse yourself even further. For a headset offering high-resolution screen wherever you are, YouTube always felt like a missing piece. Now it's finally part of the experience. It's a free app on Vision Pro that brings a tailor-made YouTube experience to the platform. That means you can have the app as a floating window in your space or immerse yourself in a custom theater to watch all your favorite videos. Once you download the app, open it and sign in. It's like classic YouTube within Vision OS. That means you'll be able to find your liked videos, the channels you subscribed, and all of your playlists. Every single video playable on YouTube is watchable on Vision Pro, be it long or short videos at various resolutions, as well as 3D, 360, and VR 180 videos. While we've seen custom environments from other streaming services, it's unclear whether YouTube will introduce its own. Even without it, YouTube's library is huge, as YouTube is the internet's default video platform. In 2026, Apple and its partners have been adding to the content you can see on Vision Pro, and bringing YouTube to it was just another step. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.